Hi, and welcome to the Garden of Lilies. Today we'll be harvesting our potatoes. All of them, actually. Here's Lily. They got something. Here's one little one. There you go, Lily. Oh, that's a big. It's the biggest one yet. No. That one didn't turn out so well. Whoa! Like that came out of nowhere. Oh! One down. Two. Just about 4 more to go. Right. There's 4.
Okay, let go of that. Dig a little deeper, okay?
Cucumbers out. Had only one potato. There are 2. Okay. There's 5 of them.
James, you're sitting in the way, buddy. Please move.
There's 5. Let's get this one. You start looking for potatoes on. If we find one, then we start digging. I mean, pull it. Yeah. Whoa. Still got potato. Oh, there's one on the end. That. Oh. Oh. Yeah, that one's too small. I bet we can find some more in here. Can I take one? Here, let me use this. First, let's try this one. This is a potato?
Mm-hmm. Okay, James is going to help with this one.
Okay.
James, go all the way in.
James, you want to help us pull out one? Yeah. Thunder's coming. Oh, no.
Hey, James, go around to the other side of Elijah so we can see.
Nope, we don't have any potatoes there.
Jamesy, buddy, go to the other side so we can see.
Ew. I shoved my hand in a mushy. It's called a non-turned-out-well potato. Well, don't have any. Come on, is that true? Is that possible?
It's possible. Okay, try this last one. Let James dig some.
It's a big one.
All right, James, you can stand in the garden next to Elijah.
Here, can I dig something else?
Yes, you can dig something else. No, you can't dig another plant. Elijah, let James in there, please.
6. Come on, James. Sweet. Yep. Ooh, there's a big. Oh, yeah.
Let him in. Let James in,
Let
Lily.
James pull that one out.
Go, bud.
You pull that one out. Which one? That one. See that big one? Okay.
Just pull the whole plant.
Here. Just, James, pull the whole plant.
Elijah.
Pull up. James, go in.
All right, go, man. Get in there and get him.
No, pull it. Joe, pull the plant. Yank the James.
Awesome.
All right, let's keep looking. 7 so far. Ooh, not this one. Well, all right, that was only one potato. Cover up the holes. 7. It's cool. A little baby one here.
Okay, let me see what you got.
All right, Lily, you count them out to them.
Elijah, dig around in there one more time and just make sure.
There's 6 of them. This one. Ruff, ruff. Ruff, ruff. It's Hazel. Hey, ew. Hazel is our next door neighbor's dog. She knows that.
All right, Elijah, climb out. Lily, get the shovel and dig one more time right there and just make sure.
Okay, that is Hazel. Who's barking is Hazel. I'm gonna go set her straight.
Okay, Lily.
Hazel, be quiet.
Shh. Okay, Lily, let's see him.
So we have 1 potato, 2 potato, 4 potato, 4 potato, 5 potato, 6 potato, and little tiny 7 potato.
Very good.